Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're feeling awesome, just awesome. Today we're going to be making some vegetable stir fry, and here is one of my ingredients. So I'm just showing you this courgettes. This is one of them, so it comes in a pack of three. The one that I bought, three was in the pack, and I'm just showing you one. When my son saw it, he was like, oh, cucumber. So I'm showing you guys for that very reason, because it's not a cucumber, and I know someone is gonna be like, you added cucumber to your stir fry. No, it's not cucumber. So here is the up close. This is what it looks like. I'm sure most of you know it, but just for my fams that don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them into some moons. I'm doing moons, right? So so I'm cutting them into half of a circle. So that's why I'm calling it the moon. So yeah, go ahead and cut it how you want to cut it, right? I don't do it too thick, right? It's just the perfect size. So here they are all done, and here are the rest of my ingredients. Of course, some cauliflower, the courgette, some broccoli, and some red and yellow bell pepper, some green bean, purple onion, they call it red, I say it's purple, carrot, green sweet pepper, of course, or bell pepper, white onion, and some minced up garlic. And here is my all-purpose savory seasoning. I normally use that on vegetables. And here are the rest of my ingredients. I was just showing you an up close of the savory seasoning. So I added a little oil to my wok, and now I'm going in with the white onion. That's half of a white onion, 1 tablespoon minced up garlic, the all the sweet peppers and the red onions. And what I'm gonna do is just normally I stir fry them, but that's not what I'm doing right now. I'm just combining everything together, right? And then once that is done, I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. Now, Vibes Fam, normally I prefer to saute them, right? Because the flavor come out better that way to me. But because they in terms of my stir fry, I don't like when my vegetables are soft. So that is why I'm doing it this way. So here I added the cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, the green peas, and some salt, a teaspoon salt, and I'm going in with some of the all-purpose savory seasoning. And now we're going to combine everything, right? So as I was saying, naturally your onion and those stuff, they are going to cook first because they are the softest of everything that you're cooking, right? So yeah, I don't like for my vegetables to be too soft. So that is why all I was aiming for was just to combine just to combine the onion and the sweet pepper and the garlic, and then I added the rest of the ingredients so that I can have a nice little crunch to, you know. So make sure that you have it on medium heat, right? So here I'm adding the courgette, and I'm adding some black pepper and some more of the all-purpose savory seasoning. It's not a lot, Vibes Fam. Know your seasoning, right? And I added a tablespoon of soy sauce, and then I went in with some more, like about a teaspoon or half tablespoon more, call it that, right? Then now you want to go ahead and combine everything. At this point in time, your fire, you gotta turn the stove all the way up. Bucket. Me say bucket. So turn it up, right? Because we are going in. You added you added the soy sauce, right? So yeah, turn up the fire. So here I'm adding some mixed herbs that get it nice and juicy. So even though you see the juice there, I don't mean literal juicy, right? I mean nice and flavorful. The mixed herb, yes, it brings out a little to the taste. So go ahead, vibe some. You don't stop stirring, you know. Don't stop stirring. The fire is on high and we are going in. We're going in. We're stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. And it's so high and it's good. Yes, I love me a good stir fry, right? It happens so fast. So I don't like for my vegetables to be soft. So we're going to be done in a few, just a few, right? Yeah, just stir. Continue stirring and stir. So I think maybe I was done in like 4 minutes, to be honest. Right? Not really 4. In filming time, it's not really 4. It's longer. All right, so if I wasn't filming. So yeah, vibes fam, the fire was high and then this is it. You notice the nice little smoke that you get when I turn off the fire. So this is it, vibes fam, and check out the vegetables. So yeah, as I was saying, maybe it is about 6 minutes or 8 minutes to be honest, because as I said, everything happened fast, but cook your vegetables the way or you like them. Some people may think this is too, I like my vegetable to have crunch. Some people may think this is tough because they like the vegetable really soft. That's not for me. Do you, boo? I always say that. Do you, boo? Do what you want for you. And vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have it. That clip that you just saw, I was going to make that be the final thing, and then I was like, no, I can't do vibes fam like that. Let me put it in a bowl. Let me put it in something kind of fancy, right? So I just throw it out in here, and vibes fam, look at it up close, so you realize the sweet peppers, they are not too soft. Steam, my friend, steamy. Yes, come through, free facial. Okay, yes, calm down. So yeah, check out the vegetables. Look at the string bean, not soft, right? It is not flaccid at all, no. And peep the carrots, you know, a nice little, you get a nice crunch, the broccoli, the cauliflower, everything, right? And even the sweet pepper, you realize it's not too soft. So that is why I was saying, just put it in the pot, try to combine everything, and then that is it. Then add the rest of the ingredients. Don't saute it as you used to do, or as I normally do. So yeah, Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you.